Developing on the COVID front, nearly 60% of eligible Texans are now fully vaccinated against COVID-19. But Southeast Texas is still far behind. Take a look at these numbers. 38% of eligible Southeast Texans have received the vaccine. Jefferson and Chambers counties still lead the pack. Newton County continues to trail, not only here in Southeast Texas, but all across the state. And some people are even skipping out on their second shot. Doctors tell 12 News reporter Amelia White, you aren't protected if you only have one shot. She's live tonight with that breakdown.
Dej, there's a big gap in the number of people who received their first vaccine shot but don't show up to get their second shot. Doctors say skipping out on your second dose puts you at risk.
With each reminder call,
those are the kind of calls we get and I think that's the main calls that we get.
an excuse. Many Southeast Texans are not showing up to get the second dose. In Port Arthur, Judith Smith and her team are urging people to come back to get the second dose.
They are not fully vaccinated, and not fully protected with just that one shot.
Across the state, millions of Texans have decided to skip out on the second shot of the Moderna or Pfizer vaccine. Beaumont anesthesiologist Dr. Ray Callis says now is the time to consider getting that second dose.
People are misconstruing being vaccinated, getting one shot, being vaccinated. And the only one you can do that with is Johnson & Johnson.
In Jefferson County, 57% received at least one dose. 47% are fully vaccinated. We wanted to know how many people in our region are overdue for their second dose. The Department of State Health Services says they don't have a county-by-county breakdown, but shared state numbers with us. Right now, more than 1 million Texans are more than 90 days overdue for their second shot.
You're half vaccinated, that still goes into the unvaccinated side.
So why are some deciding to skip out on the second shot?
People have tested positive. Some people say that I'm working, I can't get off. And, you know, we've heard some things even like I'm afraid of the second shot because I've heard that it can make you much sicker.
Reasons that show the gap between first and second doses.
We definitely see that there has to be a better strategy for reaching out and trying to get people to come back in.
If you're overdue, the CDC still recommends that you get the vaccine and have conversations with your doctor. As far as the side effects of the second vaccine, the CDC says it's possible, but it's a good sign that the vaccine is working. I'm live in Beaumont. Amelia White, 12 News.
Thank you so much, Amelia. Now, if you still need to get one or both of your shots, we have all of the information you need about where to go and what to bring. Just text the word SHOT to 409-838-1220.